introduce yourself about memory hierarchy. So let's start. Memory hierarchy. Computer memory hierarchy is a pyramid structure that is commonly used to illustrate the significant difference among memory type. The memory unit that directly communicate with CPU is called the main memory. There are so many memory type: auxiliary memory, CPU, main memory. In later we will see a memory structure. So here you can see the memory structure. First of all, at the top level, here is the CPU. Processor and register is stored in CPU. Processor and register also a memory. Register is a short-term memory. Then the CPU cache. Here are some uh, level 3 cache, level 1 cache, level 2 cache, and level 3 cache. Then the physical memory, solid state memory, virtual memory. In later we will discuss about all of this topic one by one. So let's start. First, main memory. Most of the main memory in general purpose computer is made up of RAM integrated circuits, chips, but a portion of the memory may be constructed with ROM chips. RAM, which is short form of random access memory. Integrated RAM are available in two possible operating mode: static RAM and dynamic RAM. In later we will discuss about static RAM and dynamic RAM. The other one is ROM, uh, which is short form of read-only memory. So here is the RAM. A RAM chip is better suited for communication with the CPU if it has one or more control inputs that select the chip when needed. Read and write. Read or write memory that initially doesn't contain any data. It has a directional select signal, read or write. When a write equal to 1, read or write equal to 1, the chip output data to the rest of the circuit. When a write or read data is equal to 1, it input data from the rest of the circuit. Here you can see the RAM, then the random access memory. Now we will discuss about static RAM and dynamic RAM. Static RAM, that means SRAM, is cell store bit with a 6 transistor circuit, retains value indefinitely as long as it is kept powered. Then the dynamic RAM is cell store bit with a capacitor and transistor. Value must be refreshed every 10 to 100 milliseconds. Sensitive to disturbances, slower and cheaper than static RAM. Here you can see the static RAM and the dynamic RAM. Then the ROM. ROM is used for storing programs that are permanently resident in the computer and for tables of constants that do not change in value once the production of the computer is completed. Now you can see the ROM. ROM types. ROM has four types: masked ROM, PROM, that means programmable ROM, EPROM, that means erasable ROM, EEPROM, electrical erasable PROM. Now, auxiliary memory. The main memory construction is costly, therefore it has to be limited in size. The main memory is used to store only those instructions and data which are to be used immediately. However, a computer has to store a large amount of information. The bulk of information is stored in the auxiliary memory. This is also called backing storage or secondary storage, including hard disks, floppy disks, CD-ROM, USB flash drive, etc. Here you can see some auxiliary memory devices. First, memory reader, memory card reader, USB flash drive memory, media devices, external optical drivers, and etc. Then the cache memory. If the active portion of the program and data are placed in a first small memory, the average memory access time can be reduced, thus reducing the total execution time of the program. Such a first small memory is referred to as cache memory. The cache is the fastest component in the memory hierarchy and approaches the speed of CPU component. There are three types of cache memory: primary cache or level 1 cache, secondary cache or level 2 cache, and the level 3 cache. Now, there virtual memory. Virtual memory is a imaginary memory. It gives you the illusion of a memory arrangement that's not physically there. Thank you.